Hello and welcome to this week's Wealth Tip YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing your trading account, and to be more specific, we're going to be discussing how you can grow your trading account in 2022. Also, if you're interested in trading and you're not necessarily sure exactly how to start or where to start, then consider checking out our free beginner's guide course. And this course will take you through the fundamental components needed to get started in trading the right way. So the registration document link is in the description box below. So just go over there and register, and you guys will have access to our free beginner's guide course. So to learn more, stay tuned and get more access to content like this by going ahead and clicking our subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so that you guys get notified whenever we upload new content. So with all that being said, let's jump right into it. Okay, so if you're watching this video, then you may fall into one of three categories. Category number one is the demo trader. So this is where you will be trading on a demo account, kind of honing your trading skills and building the confidence to go live. Category number two is the inconsistently profitable trader. So here you may have the skills to trade and make big winning trades, but lack the discipline to hold on to those winnings and end up giving all of it back to the market because of poor risk management or overconfidence. So category number three is the novice trader. So here you're starting out, and it's like a child that has just learned to swim. You see, you're about to go into the pool without your floaties and swim right to the deep end of the pool to prove to yourself that you are capable of swimming. So here you may be filled with nerves, anxiety, and all kinds of excitement and emotions that kind of fills you all at the same time. But the predominant emotion that you're feeling is the determination and the commitment to actually see things through and get to the other side. And regardless of the category that you may be in, you can grow your account to a sizable amount. However, depending on the category that you're in, you may have to overcome certain mental and emotional and psychological barriers, and also develop certain practices that will become habits and ultimately cause you to become more disciplined in the areas that positively impacts your trading. So let's have a look and see what are the barriers and practices that comes with each of these categories, starting with the demo trader. So if you find yourself in this category, then it's likely that you haven't yet placed a live trade before. This means that you haven't necessarily experienced the emotional and psychological ebbs and flows of winning and losing in the market. So we refer to those emotional and psychological ebbs and flows as the mental framework. Now, there was a survey done by several high-end brokers where they looked at the performance of people trading a demo account versus people trading a live account. And in that survey, they discovered that on average, people that trades a demo account tends to outperform the traders that trades a live account. And they noticed that demo account traders would take more positions and hold their profits for longer periods of time while cutting their losses before it actually becomes a problem to the overall account balance. And this is because there was far less emotional attachment to the outcome of each trade. Yet as soon as the demo traders moved to a live account, not only were they unable to replace their demo trading results, they were also unable to apply the carefree trading model that worked so well when they were demo trading in the first place. So this is because, unlike demo trading, when they moved over to live trading, there was an emotional attachment to the outcome of each trade. And as a result, instead of becoming carefree, they ended up taking small profits and letting their losing trades run to a point where it actually affected the overall account balance in a negative way. Now, to avoid these pitfalls, you must be very intentional about paying very close attention to the emotional and psychological tendencies you have when trading a demo account, because it is these tendencies that are the biggest contributing factors to your success as a demo trader. For example, when you take a trade as a demo trader, then you tend to leave it to play out simply because of the fact that in the back of your mind, you know that this is not real money on the line. And having this mentality allows you to see the trade through and ultimately, over time, see your account grow. So if you have a good track record as a demo trader, then go back and review some of your big winning trades and break it down so that you're able to identify the very mental framework that you had when you looked at the trade, you stayed in the trade, and ultimately closed the trade. And then from there, be intentional about applying that very same mental framework to every trade that you take moving forward. And obviously make tweaks as you go along. And by the time you decide to go live, then you'll have developed a strong mental focus and mental framework that will ultimately lead you to consistently growing your trading account. Next, we're going to look at the inconsistently profitable trader. Now, a trader's success is dependent on many things, but it is measured by one's ability to make money on a consistent basis. You see, trading offers people an endless supply of opportunity to make money, and almost every person that has ever tried trading at one point or another has made money. Okay, so you see, when it comes to trading, your ability to make money is not necessarily directly linked to your knowledge about the market. Instead, to make money in trading, you just need to know the difference between buy and sell, and sometimes that isn't even a requirement. So in a sense, anyone can make money trading, but very few can make it consistently. Now, as a full-time trader, I've had many consultations with traders from all walks of life, but the traders that fascinates me the most are the inconsistently profitable traders. Because once I saw someone make over $250,000 in one night trading, only to have lost all of it the next week simply because of poor risk management. And the common trend with all inconsistently profitable traders is that they're able to grow an account to scary figures in a very short space of time, but lack the discipline to maintain that fast growing pace over the long term. You see, the truth is, inconsistently profitable traders are much closer to consistency than many of them realize, because all they need to do is apply a good risk management model into their trading system, and have the discipline to stick to it. And finally, they need to have a long-term outlook. They need to focus on sustainable growth instead of immediate growth. And then finally, we have the novice trader. So if this is you, then you kind of in the middle of the demo trader and the inconsistently profitable trader. What this means is that you actually have an opportunity to start things off the right way. And you'll find yourself facing the same challenges as all traders face. But as long as you're able to develop and build a strong and solid mental framework, and have the discipline to stick to the rules, then you're well on your way to finding success and consistency in trading. So remember, finding consistency in trading is not as far as you may think. With the right guidance and structure, you could be one step away from finding the formula to making you consistent returns trading the financial markets. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, and remember to leave a thumbs up if what we discussed resonates with you here today. For the most part, I do wish you all an awesome weekend and a profitable week ahead. Up until next time, you should all keep well, and bye for now.